What's up, guys? Yeah, so part of owning a tent is it when it stays out here for a while, it starts to mildew, like you see back there. And so I've got mold and mildew shower stuff in that bucket, and I'm scrubbing the sides of the tent in hopes that it gets this mildew here off. It seems to be working there. I still have to rinse that off, but yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So the mildew's off. It seems to be working. It still kind of looks like it there when it's wet, but when it's dry like that, it's gone. Like you can see, this side still looks like there's a little bit of mildew there, but pretty much leaving. Sad thing happened. It's been really cold, like in the teens, 20s, and that had water in it, and one of the lines busted in the heat exchange radiator. One of the lines busted, so I'm gonna have to order a new shower, which well, kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. But they're like $130, so it's not a huge expense, but you know, it's a 2-night stay. 2 nights stay, gotta pay for that. Actually, it's a little bit more than 2 nights because Airbnb and taxes. So, you know, I think I'm going to unhook it every single time and have my cleaner unhook it. At least in the winter. In the summertime, we're pretty good, but in the winter, yeah, we'll have to unhook it. And then the wind blew the cover off of the little grill right there. I put it back on, and I took the tents down so that I wouldn't get any bleach on them. But yeah, the tent looks better. When it dries, that mildew disappears. I could not get the very top there, like that much of it I could not get. And then the bathroom, I have to put a screw in the toilet seat because one of the screws fell out of the toilet seat. So I'm about to do that right now. So yeah, what I thought was gonna happen happened. The screw, here, let me turn this around. The screw that was in here, it's a thick little screw, and it's little. The one on this side, it stripped out, like it pulled it out, and so when I tried to put a new one in, it didn't fit. So I got this longer screw with a washer, and then just did a washer and a bolt on the back side. So don't mind this trash here. We're gonna take that with us. The kids messed up the puzzles, so I have to get new puzzles. And they had to use the bathroom. But anyways, when you use the bathroom, you look in here, there's toilet paper, there's trash bags, and there's plenty of cat litter. So you just put a bag in there, put the cat litter in there, put the lid back down. There's your trash. Not trash. There's your toilet. And I got some wet wipes in here. Somebody left that. I guess I'll throw it away. Toilet paper goes in there, and then there's even some more extra litter and more trash bags. Plenty of trash bags. I have these screws here. I'm gonna put some lights up out here. I think I'm gonna put them between that tree and that tree. I'm just gonna hang them up that way, like that, or I could put them up between this tree and that tree and have them hang up like that. Not quite sure what I want to do. I think I'm gonna put it between those two, so when you pull in, you see a string of lights there. Yeah, the tent's looking better. Yeah, so check this out. You see right here, this looks almost brand new. And then you can see here on this side where it hasn't dried yet, and there's mildew, and there's really nothing you can do about the mildew out here. I mean, it's out here in the elements, so there's nothing to do. It just mildews. You have to clean them periodically. I think I'm done for the day. It's golden hour. I got the lights up here in front, going across that way, so when you come in, it'll be lit up. And then got the tent pretty clean, fairly clean. It's drying now, so when it dries, it looks like really clean. It's just not dry yet. Not dry yet, and I'm probably gonna have to come out here and do it another time because you know, I got most of it, I just didn't get all of it. And I gotta reset this, take this trash. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you still enjoy the content, even though it's kind of the same all the time, but it's just different stuff every time, you know. Learning how to do a glamp site is what it is. They're all different. I am gonna have to replace the hot water shower, so that's another $130 I gotta spend. I just spent like about a $200 pizza oven. It's gonna put out here in the outdoor kitchen, and it's on the way. It's on the way. It'll be right there next to the cooler in the outdoor kitchen, so that'll be cool. You'll be able to cook some pizza, sear some steak, whatever. But look at that view. From up there, you can see the reservoir down there, and the sunset right there. It's beautiful. You should come out here and experience.